My name is Chris Budd, and I'm one of the founders of Isolocity. Isolocity, the name of Isolocity is actually quite a clever one. The idea is behind the notion of ISO 9001 being the benchmark to international quality compliance, as well as bringing in the idea of velocity, where something's going to run itself. So Isolocity brings in compliance and the notion of velocity, where we want to automate the processes we manage. Cost management. So especially in the cannabis industry, we're seeing a lot of companies looking at how to reduce costs, how to create efficiencies, and to automate those workflows. And unless they can do that, then survival will be very tough for them. Well, Isolocity solves a lot of those challenges already for our clients by streamlining and automating a lot of the labor-intensive processes involved in compliance. For example, issuing new SOPs, and the training of those SOPs are highly automated through our system by connecting every single employee in our client's organization to ensure that they're connected. So that's just one example of how we automate that process. That's a great question. So Isolocity is venturing more into the psychedelics industry, so we see that as our next progression. As far as a growth perspective, internationally, we are playing a lot more in Europe. The industry, as it develops over time and matures over time, I think we're going to see some corrections as far as the players, who the key players are. And for a lot of the established brands, I think keeping their brand in front of the clients with new ideas, new products. So those would be their biggest challenges. So moving ahead, I think you're going to see more establishment of the brand from a consumer perspective, and from a business perspective, I think you're going to see a lot of companies focusing on cost management to survive.